Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay. Morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Today, Mother's Day ngayon. And ako pa lang ang gising. At si Francine. Nasa living room kami. Saba kayo ni Francine. Okay? Yung baby bus. Kumakain si Francine ito. Nilutuan ko siya ng egg na may cheese. Niluto ko sa butter. Nilagyan ko ng a bit of milk. Then cucumber para sa kanyang ano. Say hi. Say hi. Say good morning first. Say good morning.
Morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Yummy?
Hi.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
Hello.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay. So, pagising ko, actually, nakita ko na kagabi kasi late na kami natutulog, diba, ni Frank? Kita ko na kagabi yung bigay niya. Hinayan sila ako ni Becky, murag mag-copyright, ni madugay. Nakita ko na yung paano ni Frank last night kasi late na kami natutulog, diba? Around 12. Maaga pa lang, early night pa lang, sinasabi niya lagi, tulog na. Oo. Kasi tulog na, anong tulog na, ano naman, na always naman kami sabay matulog, tapos late na. Kasi nga, dahil ka baby junior. Here's Francis. Still sleeping. Say good morning. Kakatapos na magdede.
No, none.
Mata na tanan. Say good morning, Frank. Your busted lips. Still eating breakfast. Yeah. Ding-a-ding.
You want some?
I caught he smiling.
Yeah. You want some?
I caught in camera, he's smiling. You wanna say hi? Hi.
Nom.
You have to finish your egg first. Egg first. You finish your egg. Gusto niya kumain ng cornflakes ni Frank. Finish your egg first.
No, Francine, you have to go and eat there.
Finish the egg. The egg. At least the egg. Already earlier. Yeah. Finish the egg. Then you can have Papa's cornflakes big bowl.
When there's something left.
Come on, quick. Hurry up. Boom, ba boom, 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 ba boom.
Står og master op af, når det her komt.
It's morning. Smiling again. Francis, you must smile. Uy, ate ni mo, mo ni ninja.
He's like if he's stoned there.
Sleep. He fall asleep because he just finished. Did it?
Are you stoned?
I put him in the basket. Kailangan niyang matulog, guys. Hello. Kakatapos magdidi. Ganyan yung ano niya. So, okay, how we say Happy Mother's Day? Okay, you're gonna join? Say, look here in the camera. Happy Hello, Mommy Rose. Happy Mother's Day. What's that face? Francine!
She's dropping the mobile.
Again. Sabaka, day, sabaka. I say Happy Mother's Day. You say Happy Mother's Day. Sit down first, sit down. You say Happy Mother's Day to Mommy Rose. Hello, Mommy Rose. Kumusta? Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Rose, from us here. Say Happy Mother's Day. Mommy Rose, say hi. Mommy Rose, Happy Mother's Day. Isapot kay gusto mag-cellphone. Okay, bye-bye, Mommy Rose. Amping dira. I love you. Mwah. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye, Mommy Rose. Look in the camera first.
She did.
Don't pick your nose. Kiss, 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 kiss. What? Bye. Where are you going?
To the park.
You're going to the park?
I know, in the playground.
Francine? Dance here first. But you need to
Say
change
cheese like
because it's
this.
cold.
Do like this first. Do like this.
Hello guys again. Nandiyan si Junior. Nagpupo. So, I'm waiting na mahuman siya guys. Then, Frank offered na siya that he will clean him up. And he's making now my breakfast. Are you making my breakfast, my love? Huh? Are you making my breakfast? Thank you. You're so sweet.
At almost 12.
No t-shirt. It's still gonna... Yeah, my breakfast now is always around 12. Or sometimes 1400. So, ang pa-Mother's Day nila sa akin guys. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa siya inopen. Chocolates. Ganahan kay ko na chocolate. Favorite na ko po. Rashag Ferrero. Gracioso. Made in Italy. Na chocolate. So, may mga greetings nila dito. Nilagay. Ng mga kids. Happy Mother's Day. And, what is this? And makeup from Frank. Thank you, dear. They are here. That's why you cannot see them there. They are here. They are here. So si Francine at si mga kids na sa labas. What's that? It's my mask. You gonna wear mask?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and by the way guys, dito sa Germany, balik normal na kami. Ang mga kids, balik eskwela na sila 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Tapos yung ibang restaurant open na din. Weird nga pero. And then pero may distance, social distancing pa din, 1.5 meter away. So ayun. So si Francine nasa labas. Si Francis kailangan i-change. Niloloko ko si Frank, sabi ko, magpi-film ako para ikaw ang mag-change. He stinks here. I think he is finished.
It's good.
Yeah, thank you. So I can go now
Where to?
to the bedroom to clean our room.
Yeah, do that.
Mother's Day pero maglilinis ako ng bedroom na. Nag-adjust na talaga si Francis ba? Hindi na nung first few weeks, first how many weeks? Because magwa 1 month na to ngayong May 13. First few nights niya, like almost a month na din. Na lagi kaming bilar ni Frank. Ngayon, na siya guys? At least natutulog na siya paggabi and then gumigising siya at 12 midnight and the next na gumigising siya is 4 a.m. na. So, longer na yung tulog namin dalawa. Pero kasi pag walang trabaho si Frank, siya yung nagtitake over every night at kung wala na, siya yung gumigising. Pag mayroon naman siyang trabaho, ako yung gumigising. Papanap ko si Francine guys kasi hindi ko matapos trabaho ko. You're gonna sleep now? Are you sleeping? Yeah, na? Magnanap. Inaano ko to pag nagnap kasi munaog ay mo kiyas. Si Frank at si Junior nasa sala. Doon ko sila pinatulog. Ay, si Junior doon natulog ay si Frank nandun din. Nakatulog din si Frank sa sofa. Ayan si Francine. So, ayan ko na yung vlog guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye-bye and have a good day everybody. Bye Francine. Bye. It's nap time for her. Ahora guys. See be? Show me be. Mayabag na oh. Mayabag na.
What's this?
Where your cup? Where your cup?
Huh?
Mangubi na po siya o mangubi lip balm o ang kanang makeup kuan yun na iya
Next.
suki. Where's your cup? Where's your cup? Where's your cup? Yeah. Put it in your head. Put it on the way. I wanna see. I wanna see, way. I wanna see. Come here. Here. Put it on. Come. Come for a second. Sekarang kebuhi. Look here. Hi. Can I have the lip balm? Okay. Thank you. Mama will put a lip balm on Mama's lips. Come on, give me. Thank you. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.